Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out Apple ID when sign out not available due to restrictions. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, force close the setting app and launch settings again and tap on privacy and tap location services and turn off location services tab to confirm. Force close the settings and launch settings again. Tap on screen time, scroll and tap turn off screen type and turn off screen time. Now force close the setting app, launch settings again and tap on your profile ID and tap sign out. Now put your Apple ID password, follow the instructions and sign out Apple ID easily. That's it. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.